1.5 liter of milk which we have curdled, some sugar and ghee. Now we will add the sugar in the curdled milk and we will grind it. Now we need some saffron, almond and some rose water. We will grease the plate with ghee. We will add the rose water in the curdled milk and mix it well. Now we will pour the mixture in the bowl. And we will add the saffron on top. Now we will place the bowl in the preheated pan and let it set for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will add the almonds on top. And set it for another 5 minutes. Our kalakand has fully cooked. And so now we will cut it. You have your kalakand ready and enjoy!